Hey, it's Sam here, Master Tech at Emerald Coast Harley-Davidson, and if you've ever wondered what goes into a Stage 2 kit, let's break it down. First, when you got your Stage 1 kit, you upgraded your air cleaner and pipes, followed by a dyno tune, which gains gas mileage and cooler temperatures and overall better performance. The difference between Stage 1 and Stage 2 kit is the addition of a cam. If it's a twin cam, you have two cams, and if it's a Milwaukee 8, you have a single cam, and this will allow more air and fuel into the cylinder, which will allow for even more performance and a more efficient running engine. It will also run a little bit cooler with the proper tune.
I would get a Stage 2 kit done because the cam is is the heart of the engine. It controls the way the engine is going to act, power-wise, runability, all that stuff. So at minimum, I would always recommend a Stage 2 right off the bat.
If you'd like to know more about your Stage 2 kit options or have any other questions, please come by and see us at Emerald Coast Harley-Davidson. We'll be happy to help you out with upgrading your performance.